Hey, how you doing? It's JP with Max Tr3 Revival. Welcome back to the channel. Got a few things I've been trying to take care of. One was I put out a call for a reamer in my past video, and I've managed to find one online. I got a gift card, which was kind of a present, and took care of that, got that on order, so it should be here by Wednesday. Currently, we're looking at Sunday. So I've got a few projects that I've completed. I'm going to insert a video in here to give you a little update, and then we'll talk about what's coming up moving forward. So this is one of those little things that has been bugging me since I got the frame back, which is this hole right here, which I believe is for the rear mount for the bumper brackets, where the tube runs through and actually connects to the body. The car had been like backed into at one point something, and I don't know if that created this or if it was when they were trying to take it apart and didn't understand where the bolts were or what, but it's severely depressed. So I just want to get it like kind of back out into a little better shape than it is currently. So I think I'm going to try and work on that just a wee bit, see what I can do. So here's what I wound up doing. I actually have a 2.5 pound slide hammer that has a different end connection on it. It's weird. It's coarse thread on this end, and it's fine thread on this end. So I found a bolt, put a couple washers behind it, and I'm just using that to kind of pull it, get even pressure on it. I don't necessarily want to get it completely all the way out, but I want to get it at least flatter. Obviously, if you look at that, I've been working on it just a tad. And then this one, you can see the difference. The depression is pretty deep. So, and it looks like this one's kicked down a little bit too. So might be something I'll have to look at when I go to line everything back up, or just ream the hole a little bit. But that's also one of the body mounts. It's for that rear section. So I'm just gonna keep kind of working on it a little bit at a time, kind of twisting the bolt different ways. So where I'm started to now is quite a big difference. I think that's a lot better than where it was. It's not 100%, but should be a little easier to line that up once I get to that point. It's the little things that take the most time. So one more side to go. This one, like I said, is a little bit worse, so may need a little extra. Yep, that was going to be a whole lot of fun. Well, this is what happens when you don't move anything. I've now got a 52 screw pickup. I had that sitting on top and it wasn't locked down. And that right there, that's how you have fun while working in the garage. You make a mess, and then you clean it up. And then you make sure the box is locked down next time. Put your tools back and call it a day. All right, so today was a fun day. My objective was to try and get the rest of the bushes out. I was successful on a couple pieces. but unsuccessful on a couple others, and they were in there. Obviously, I don't have a press, and I hit up a few friends. They are a little bit busy. So being as I had the day off, I wanted to get this done. So I enlisted the help of a shop locally to help me out. And I'm going to share their info. It's Catoctin Automotive Inc. Mike is the guy that runs the place over there. And they're really reasonable, and they know their stuff. They've helped me out on a few occasions with a couple different things. So I stopped by and talked to them and got it taken care of. So here's their phone number. And they're locally in Leesburg, Virginia, if you're up my way. So, got the bushes all out. I'm ready to go. Got a little bit of touch-up paint to do. So I'm working on that a little at a time. Here's the, I didn't want to mix up the sides, so here is the driver's side one. The other one is the one I've completed. So we got a little touch-up paint going on that. Then I'm going to hit up the passenger side. And then I still need a reamer. So that's next on the list. But, you know, power hour. Actually, a couple of hours today. That's what I've been working on. So here's the final paint on the two parts for the passenger side. And then we get the final paint on the one for the driver's side. So I'm just waiting for those to cure. I've got the other three bushes to put back in, which are right there. These are the ones with the grooves in them for the front side. And then I've got the ones with the sleeves and the nylons for the back. And then we clean up the surfaces that I need to be able to mount to. Got the springs ready. I've got the collars ready, and I'm going to try and get that taken care of coming up this week. So just quickly moving forward, one of the things I wanted to work on was the steering linkage and get that painted up. Obviously, I'm going to finish with the A-arms and trying to get the bushes in and making sure it's set and ready to go. And like I said, I was looking for the bolts for the upper fulcrum. That is kind of a quick and dirty. The reamer tool will be here so I can fit those. Then I gotta tidy up the rear end and get it kind of mounted up. Get the shackles on the rear springs, the U-bolts on, and get the collars tightened up, maybe the cables on. Trying to get it to at least a roller status. So I just wanted to say a quick thank you to everybody who has subscribed and follows along, has either sent me parts, sent me words of encouragement, or just learning something from any of the videos that I put out, because it's kind of why I'm doing it. You know, people assume, I guess, that you know how to do some of this stuff, but not everybody does. And maybe somebody watching one of my videos will pick something up that will be applicable to their rebuild. And I hope that I can share quality work that shows how it is for your average hobbyist working out of his garage. And that would be me. So appreciate it so much.